Hello, this is Andrew from Galileosky. We already had 5 lessons learning new things about easy logic technology. You can already create any easy logic algorithms for your trackers. For those of you who find the blog's opportunities not enough and who wants to learn how to write scripts in scripting language, we created this subcourse, Easy Logic Creators for Programmers. We suppose that you already know the basics of object-oriented programming and know basic principles of working with arrays and functions. In this video, between these 2 courses, I will give you a brief explanation on what you might need to know to work with scripting language. In any programming language description, be it C++, C#, Java or Python, you can find all the required information that you may need to understand the basics of programming and the terms that we'll further use in this video. First, let's see what variables types are used in easy logic scripts. Since the language is C-typed, let's address the variable types description for C language by the first link in the description. All variable types differ from each other only by the memory size used for each of the types, as well as by interpreting. Easy Logic supports only 4-byte signed integers, as well as logical Boolean type, which has true and false values. Variables initializing does not demand direct type definition. It is automatically set according to the data being written into. Text strings can also be used via arrays. The arrays description can also be found via the first link. Easy Logic supports both one-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. Second link contains a list of possible operators for C language, very useful information even for skilled programmers, containing description for various operators and their corresponding mathematical or logical operations. While learning about the scripting language, we will often address functions, both from the firmware and custom-made. In order to have general understanding what is a function and how it works, we recommend to look at the information by the third link. In Easy Logic scripting language, there is no need to describe functions with keywords, like void for function with no parameters or static for local, but you'll still get the basic understanding of how the functions are created and called, how to send variables to functions and extract them, and so on. Easy Logic scripting language opportunities depend on the Galileosky trackers that you use, their firmware version and the version of configurator tool, but still it gives more opportunities and freedom when creating Easy Logic algorithms. In our next video, we will learn the basics of how to work with scripting language.